In this video, we are going to talk about how to take advantage of Facebook to boost your visibility online. Many businesses are not taking full benefit of Facebook's cover page and timeline features. However, there is more opportunity there to drive more traffic to your website than ever before. Instead of just doing your regular status updates, try using some of these tips to give your page a boost in both traffic and image. Change your cover photo. Each time you change your cover, an update appears in your timeline. Your followers see that in their newsfeed and are more likely to click it to see what has changed. If you keep your images interesting, they'll be eager to see what's new. Some ideas include sharing images from customers, collages of products, a funny photo, or a dramatic representation. Think about it. Some people go daily to the Google search page just to see how they've redesigned the Google image for that day. Also, the more you show up in their newsfeed, the more likely they are to visit your page. Use the Pin to Top feature regularly. You can pin your most important posts to the top of your timeline every day. Whenever you have a special offer or event you want to promote, make sure you have it pinned at the top where visitors can see it. Share images as much as possible. Statistics show that people share images more than text. Try using a mix of your own images and those from other interesting sites. Ask customers to upload or share their own as well. You could even have a contest where followers upload their favorite product images and see who gets the most likes. Add items to your historical timeline periodically. Every time you add an event to your historical timeline, those updates will also show up in followers' news feeds. Just don't update your history all at once and flood the feeds. They won't thank you for it and may just unlike you. Avoid using third-party publishing platforms for your posting. In some of these outside posting services, the share button will not show up on your post. That defeats the whole point of using a social network. It's okay to post a few things automatically, but do the bulk of it directly on Facebook. If you're not making the most of Facebook's timeline at the moment, consider using some of these tips to drive more traffic to your page and ultimately to your site. At the very least, make sure you update your cover image.